Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the ZEP application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon and here select AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro from the list of my devices. On this page, find the App Store option and tap on it. And here we have the App Store, and we can browse through the list of applications in different categories, find the app we want to install, and once you find it, you can tap on it basically. So find the app you want to install, for example, let's say this one, and here we have the description of the app, the updates, and the I believe that's about it, description and the updates. And if you want to install the app, tap on install. It's gonna start downloading. If the app requires some permissions, you will need to tap allow to allow it. And after the app is done installing, you can press the select button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the app list. And on the app list, the app should appear. Let's tap on more. And I don't see it. It should be somewhere here. Let's check if it installed actually. It did, so it should be somewhere here. Where is it hiding? Let's try reopening the menu maybe. Okay, I don't know why it's not here, so I'm gonna try to install another app. So let's go back to App Store. Maybe this one. Okay. And this one is here. Okay, so this one appeared on the list. I don't know why the previous one didn't appear, but this one is here, and we can tap on it and you will see that it is working. Okay. And once you're done installing applications, of course, you can simply close the app on your phone. And that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.